Did you know that the paper airplane, often seen as a simple child's toy, has a surprisingly profound history? Its origins can be traced back to ancient China, where folding paper for ceremonial purposes eventually evolved into a playful pastime. Famous aviators like Edwin Link even recognized the paper airplane as a valuable tool for testing flight concepts and aerodynamic principles. Interestingly, in 2012, the world's longest paper airplane flight reached over 69 meters, demonstrating how the seemingly basic craft can embody complex physics. So, the next time you fold and toss one, remember, you're participating in a tradition that connects history, science, and creativity.